awesome artists! Welcome to Easy Art, where the fun begins. Guess what? On our website, you can grab free printable coloring pages. Yep, you heard it right. Just head to our homepage. Right at the top, there's a super cool red button that says, Draw Along with Us. Click that, and it will take you to our YouTube playlist with tons of easy tutorials by yours truly. Now, let's talk materials. On our homepage, scroll down a bit, and you'll find Materials. There, you'll see a bunch of colorful thumbnails. Click on the one you like, and it'll show you the details. Want to color it? Hit the download button, and you can print the high-resolution coloring PDF. Now, you're all set to bring your artwork to life with your favorite colors. By the way, if you want to see more of our awesome art and stay updated, check out our Instagram page. Find the link at the bottom of the page. That's it, folks. Easy peasy, right? Happy coloring and drawing, and remember to have loads of fun. See you on our website and in our tutorials. Don't forget to share your amazing art with us.